So good morning. We are happy to tell you folks that the judge granted our request for an emergency temporary restraining order. So we were in the court today asking the federal judge for emergency relief to allow pro bono attorneys into the federal prison to speak with the immigrant detainees who are being held in there, who have, as we understand, have requested access to pro bono attorneys. And though we've spent a couple weeks now attempting to work with ICE to get in to speak with these folks, we've been continuously turned around and not allowed in. We have also, the judge also granted our request to stay any deportation orders, any interviews or hearings related with that until we have the opportunity to meet with, provide Know Your Rights trainings and actual individual consultations, actual legal access and legal support to these folks. We should all be concerned if the government is locking people in a federal prison without due process, being held, I believe now, for 26 days, without appearing before any sort of a judge, and without having the opportunity to speak with an attorney. We are pleased that the court saw the dire circumstances at play here and granted our order. I think it's worth noting that the President of the United States issued a statement this weekend on Twitter saying, in short, that when someone comes into this country, we must immediately, with no judges or court cases, bring them back to where they came. So the due process clause of the Constitution, it applies to folks who do not have legal status in this country. The Supreme Court has said so. We know that the Constitution says so. You cannot simply hold people in a federal prison, not allow them to see an attorney, and attempt to deport them, despite what the president believes. And we're very pleased that the court saw it that way as well.